This is the S650, but he has the X pipe on. I have the H pipe, so you'll kind of hear a little bit of a difference. But I mean, they both sound good. Personally, I like the H pipe, you know, gives it a deeper tone. It sounds more like aggressive. Hopefully it sounds good with the audio. My mic Air, the audio equipment did die, so we'll just be having audio for my Meta glasses. So S650, this thing's a tank, dude. He's got a new hood. Oh. Dang. This thing sounds crazy. But damn, his shit sounds good. Ooh, ooh, dang. S650s, they're starting to grow on me, man. They look good too. Oh shit. Oh, this shit sounds nuts. Wow. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That was pretty fun. So yeah, his is a S650 2024, mine's just 2023. I got an H pipe, he has an X pipe.